What I've realized is the more vulnerable that Dan and I are in those leadership immersion trainings and time together as a group, the more vulnerable the team becomes. Day one, we're throwing them all in a room together and we're doing some activities right away to build that team health and for them to get to know each other.
It really does come down to like, are you willing to be real with yourself? Are you willing to be real with your team? Are you open to feedback and getting better? Are you willing to give feedback? And when we have that, and when that team health is really strong, we feel like that gives us the biggest advantage in the marketplace. It gives us the biggest advantage as an employer. It makes it more fun to be a part of it. We want to strive to make that vulnerability and authenticity very real, not just something we talk about.